Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to charge your Porsche Cayenne Hybrid. First, locate the charging port, which is typically found on the rear passenger side of the vehicle. It is crucial to ensure your Cayenne is completely turned off before connecting any charging cable. You will primarily use alternating current, or AC, for most charging needs, whether at home or at public stations. This guide will help you understand the simple steps to keep your hybrid powered up and ready for the road. For convenient home charging, you have two main options. Level 1 charging uses a standard 120-volt household outlet, delivering about 1.4 kilowatts. This method is slow, taking many hours for a full charge. For faster charging, consider Level 2, which uses a 240-volt circuit, similar to a dryer outlet. This can provide up to 7.2 kilowatts, fully charging your Cayenne in approximately 6 to 8 hours, making it ideal for overnight charging. When you are away from home, public charging stations are readily available. Many workplaces, shopping centers, and parking garages offer Level 2 AC chargers, providing a convenient way to top up your battery while you are out. For quicker charging, some public locations also feature DC fast charging, which can replenish a significant portion of your battery in under 30 minutes. Always check the station's compatibility and connector type before plugging in. To maximize your Porsche Cayenne Hybrid's battery life, adopt smart charging habits. It is generally best to keep your battery charged between 20% and 80% for optimal longevity, rather than always charging to 100% or letting it fully deplete. Also, utilize the preconditioning feature while plugged in. This uses grid power to heat or cool the cabin, saving your battery for driving. Always inspect your charging cables for any signs of damage before use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.